Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to extract text from images on your Android device. To get started, open the Google Lens app, the Google app, or your camera app if Google Lens is built in. Tap the Google Lens icon, then select the image that contains the text you want to extract. You can also point your camera at printed text or choose an existing photo from your gallery. Google Lens will automatically detect the text in the image. Highlight the text you want to extract, then tap Copy Text to copy it to your clipboard. You can also select options to translate the text, search for it online, or share it with another app. After copying the text, open any app such as Notes, Messages, or a document editor, then tap and hold the screen and select Paste to use the extracted text. And that's it, you've successfully extracted text from an image on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.